How to install the Mini and Mini Pro 1.2 front platform to V1 Mini Pro. Begin by moving the carriage to the back of the machine. Remove the bumpers and the side screws on each side of the machine. You will find two brackets that secure the bumpers. Unscrew the two screws on each side located under the platform. Note that there is a hidden component held in place by these screws. Support the platform to prevent any damage to the ring of fire. Remove the spring hardware as demonstrated in the video. Loosen the 6 top screws and completely remove the 4 bottom screws. Pull the platform upward to unhook it from the 6 top screws that you have already loosened. Remove any remaining screws. Install the front bracket using 10 screws, ensuring they are firmly tightened. The front bracket features 2 holes for the platform screws, as shown in the video. Proceed to install the front platform by aligning the monorail holes with the platform screws. Once aligned, press firmly on the back of the platform. Tighten the platform screws by hand, then use the Allen tool for final tightening. Last is to install the bumper.